VPNs have been used by millions of people around the world for protecting privacy and get the freedom of streaming. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. There are currently thousands of VPN options available, so choosing the best one can be tricky sometimes. That's why we've listed 5 best VPNs out for you to reduce the hassle. On number 5, we have Private Internet Access. It offers 35,000 servers in 91 countries. It charges $12 per month, $40 for the first year, and $79 for 3 years, which is a very good offer for any VPN. PIA's average speed decreases 48%, but it will give unlimited concurrent connections, which will be good for big households or the ones who value getting coverage on a lot of devices instead of absolute speed. Now we have Proton VPN. It has both free and paid subscriptions. Their paid plans, which renew after your first term, are $10 a month, $60 for the first year, and $108 for 2 years, which goes to $80 per year afterward. Their network extends 14,400 servers in 122 countries. It can connect up to 10 devices with a speed loss of 16%, which makes it a very good option in terms of privacy and cost. The third position is secured by NordVPN. It provides its services for $13 per month, $60 for a year, and $82 for 2 years. Not only this, it has an outstanding 8,000 plus servers around the globe in 126 countries, and does so while losing only 3% of internet speed. This makes it the best option for gamers and streamers. The runner-up of this list is Surfshark. Surfshark costs $15 per month, but you will want to steer clear of that option due to the affordable yearly and 2-year options at $48 and $60. It's a budget-friendly option for a big family or someone with a lot of devices, as it has over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries and has an average speed loss of 21% on limited connections. The winner of the VPN world would be ExpressVPN. It has over 3,000 servers in 105 countries, providing good all-around global coverage with an 18% speed loss while allowing 8 devices to connect simultaneously. It has easy-to-use app interface and it provides reliable streaming, so it's a safe all-rounder for most users. It costs around $30 per month, $100 for the first year, and the 2-year plans are at $140 and $117 renewal. These were our top picks. Which one are you choosing? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.